Installation video for our full motion monitor mount with extra tall pole. Connect the base and pole. Attach the pole base to the lower pole using the provided bolts. Clamp mount installation. Connect the clamp handle to the pole base using the countersunk bolts. Place the mount over the edge of the desk in the desired location, then tighten the hand knob until the clamp is secured tightly to the desk. Grommet mount installation. To mount through a grommet hole, disassemble the clamp handle and separate the long bolt from the bracket. Place the pole over the grommet hole and install the grommet handle with the oval plate through the underside of the desk, then tighten the handle until the mount is secure. Assemble the pole. Attach the middle and upper pole segments to the lower pole using the provided bolts. Place the cable clips on the pole at the desired heights. Monitor arm installation. Slide the monitor arm over the pole. Position the arm at the desired height, then tighten the bolts on the rear until secure. Attach the VESA plates to the monitors. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers for your display's mounting holes. Then attach the VESA plate using the selected bolts and tighten until secure. Attach the monitor to the arm. Slide the VESA plate onto the end of the monitor arm. Install the thumb knob onto the top of the VESA plate to secure the monitor to the arm. Cable management. Attach the cable clips to the middle of the arm segments. Route cables through the clips on the arm and down through the clips on the pole. Tilt adjustment. Loosen or tighten the bolt on the tilting joint to adjust the tension of the tilt. Store the hex wrenches in the cable clip on the pole for future use.